Hi guys, this is Adam with 4th Dimension Logo Design. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to put curved text around a circle like I did for this design, Husband for Hire. Alright, so let's jump right into it. You're going to want to grab the circle and ellipsis tool, holding Control and Shift to make a perfect circle. We're just going to go ahead and place that to the side for now. And for the tutorial, just going to go ahead and write some text. Wrap text around a circle. I want to size that up a little bit, so holding the Control and the Shift key, we're going to go ahead and scale that a little larger. In order to get it wrapped around this circle, we're going to, while selecting the text, hold Shift and grab the circle. From there, we're going to go to Text, Put on Path. At this point, it is just one object. Double click on that. We're going to rotate it to where we'd like. If you want to make sure it's perfect, you can select and drag down a ruler. Or if you want to just freestyle, you can go ahead and delete that and put it to wherever you'd like. In order to get it off the circle, you can go to click just the text, go to Object, Path, Object to Path. It's going to allow you to remove it from the circle like that.